How to use Tradify. So a beginner tutorial on how to use the app. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and get started, you can enter your Play Store or App Store and search for Tradify, like so. Search for Tradify and then just finish the installation. It's free, so you can just download it directly and open up the app. You're gonna have to sign up first. You can put in your business description or details, and you're gonna put in your name, your email, and your number as well. Then once that's done, just enter a few more questions and you'll be able to create your account. Now you could create a quote template, an invoice template, or you could start with creating a job. So you're gonna go ahead and choose this option first if you'd like, and in our case we're gonna do that. So one last thing before you create a job though, you can put in your industry. So just take a look at the options that are available, and if it's not there, press on the other and just put in the specific industry you are going for. Now, once that is done, press on next. You're gonna have to put in some details. You can add a customer, you can add your job description, you can add more schedules, assign staff if you'd like, but Tradify will automatically organize everything so you can track the job progress and manage multiple projects easily. And then once your job is set up, you can create quotes, which was the option before. You can convert them into invoices as well, and all done directly here in Tradify. So simply open a job, add materials or even your labor costs, and finally pricing. Then you can send the quote to your client after everything is done, and after approval, you can convert it into an invoice, send it for payment, and then you can use the mobile app, which is the one we're using, to update the job status on site, track time, and even upload photos. Over time, Tradify will help streamline your workflow by keeping customer info, job tracking, and finances all in one system. So it will make it easier to manage and grow your business. But that is the general idea on how Tradify works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.